So when it comes to setting up your outside workstation, you follow a lot of the same principles as the inside workstation. We don't have to be quite as meticulous because we're outside, but we don't want things to be scattered all over the job site. So try to keep things neat and tidy. Again, you want to protect finished surfaces if you're leaning anything up against the wall that might scratch or harm a surface. Try to keep things out of the way of high traffic areas. We don't want to be right in the middle of a sidewalk or anything like that. And this is another no-no. We don't leave dirty towels laying around the job site under any circumstances. It's a bad look, it makes us look sloppy. So anytime you have a dirty towel or any other random tool that you're not going to use, dirty towels go in the towel bucket, and tools need to get picked up and put away where they go so they don't get lost and so they're not strewn about. So the point is to keep our job site always looking neat, tidy, and organized. And the customers will really appreciate that, and it'll set us apart from the competition.